keys? Where did I put the keys? I think the keys might be just right inside here. Wait for it, wait for it. Dun dun dun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We have the key to the Koenigsegg Agera RS1. The last time I started up this car was in Monterey, California. We are here in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. We're gonna turn on the ignition. This is a cold startup on a 2017 Koenigsegg Agera RS1. It's a 2018, I messed that up. 2018 Koenigsegg Agera RS1. We're good, we're good. This car is on California plates. We're here in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. Y-Test and Y-Test Jr. had this car air freighted here. How sick is this? The squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron. We're gonna try to scoot on in. The interior, oh my goodness. That front windshield, just the curvature of it. And yet it's not even that tall at all. The speedometer, 280 miles an hour. And the cool thing is you can actually do 280 miles an hour in this car. It hit 277.9 on a Nevada highway about a year ago. This is so sick. I wish every single one of you guys could be here to be in the Koenigsegg. If you ever get the opportunity to ride in a Koenigsegg, like obviously that goes without saying, obviously you should take the ride. I have few goals in life, but probably the highest goal is to own a Koenigsegg. This is so sick. I don't know what it is about this car, but oh, yo. I don't think there's a cooler way to arrive to the world's most expensive hotel than at a Koenigsegg Agera RS. Are you kidding me? The sun is setting right now over the Persian Gulf. Whoa. I think, as you might say, ladies and gentlemen, we have views on views. That's a helipad way up there. The last time I was here, I was in a Nissan Sunny, and this time we're in a Koenigsegg. We got a couple Rolls Royces right there. Check out the mechanism for the door in action. How sick is that? Whoa. But we are here at the Burj Al Arab with the Agera RS1. What a way to make an entrance. This is insane. We are going somewhere unprecedented. I don't think any YouTuber in the history of YouTube has ever been here. We are going to the presidential suite here at the Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world. Yo. Whoa. I don't really have anything to say, but when you had a view like that, you just chat away and say nothing. Look at this chandelier. But look at the tile. What?
There's a TheStradman.
I'm acting like a 12-year-old adolescent. I'm embarrassing the family name, but well, we're here. These are the elevators here at the Burj Al Arab. We don't belong here. I'm wearing a SpongeBob shirt. $5 shorts, but we're good, we're good. Every single floor has their own personal butler. Anything and everything they need. Hello, how's it going? So nice to meet you. Thank you. We're here on the 25th floor. Look at this view. Whoa. So there's 2 royal suites. There's one on that side and there's one on this side. We don't belong here. We are going somewhere unprecedented. We are going to the most expensive hotel room in the entire world, the Royal Suite here at the Burj Al Arab. Look at this stairwell. What? No way. Can I step here? You can. Oh, no, sorry guys. We're taking a tour of the first floor. I just wanted to go up it, but we're good, we're good. Yeah, we got the golden staircase, and look at this dining room table. This is a hotel room. Like, what is going on? Oh, no way, look at the view. Whoa, you can see the Burj Khalifa way out there in the distance. The dining room was cool, sure, that was cool. But look at this office. Dude, I should be editing my vlogs right here. Oh, look at the globe.
That's where I was going.
So we are right here in Dubai.
Oh, there's a golden piece.
Whoa, sunset over the Palm Jumeirah. We got the Marina District. This view is insane. I'm gonna step on the royal scale. I'm 71 kilos. I was only 68 when I got here. I'm putting on the weight. I look at the royal shower. What? There's all these faucets everywhere. This is insane. Ooh, Hermes shampoo. Of course, because why wouldn't there be Hermes? We're still not allowed to go upstairs quite yet, but I just wanna I just want to take a moment to appreciate this. This is insane. Oh, there's an elevator in here because, you know, why? If you don't want to walk up your golden staircase, you take you up the elevator. Dude, how many rooms are in here? This is crazy. Whoa. I don't know if we're allowed back here, but whoa, nice. Yeah, you know what? I could sit there and chill for a while. I wish I could convey to you guys how plush this carpet is. Like, I don't feel like I should be walking on it in vans. Like, it's so nice and plush, so comfy.
Are you posing?
No, we're going up the stairwell, ladies and gentlemen. We're not at the Holiday Inn Express anymore. Like, this is a hotel room. This is absurd. This is so sick. Look at this thing. What? So apparently, like, some very, very, very famous people and very royal people have stayed here. I think it's safe to say that we're probably like, yeah.
TheStradman's been here.
My man.
Add that to the list.
Welcome to the pink room, because every hotel room needs a pink room. This room. How many living rooms are in here? This is insane. Whoa, I think this is the master tub. Look at the enormity of this bathtub. Whoa, and look at this shower. This is real gold. Like, this faucet, this is real gold. This isn't any of that fake stuff you see at Home Depot. This is real gold. Whoa.
Can you get a picture of me in this tub?
Yeah, for sure. I don't belong here. Like, this is absurd.
I still feel like we're gonna get in trouble.
I know. I'm just waiting for security to start yelling at us.
Even though we're on a tour led by an employee.
Oh, whoa. Because why wouldn't you want your bed to rotate?
The master bed just spins.
What? I don't know why that's so cool. It just is cool.
Yeah, it's just cool.
There's no purpose. There's no reason for that, yet it's still incredibly cool. And because the last bathtub wasn't quite enough, you have a second one. Because, well, why wouldn't you?
Exactly what he said. Just listen to James. He'll do my commentary from here on out.
The toilet paper is Charmin Ultra Soft, not a paid product placement for Charmin or its affiliates. All opinions in today's video are that of the Stradmans only. I'm not really supposed to open these up, but my curiosity is just getting the best of me. Whoa, it smells like maple wood. We could take the golden staircase down, but it'd be a lot of work and had a long day and pretty exhausted, so I think I'm gonna take my elevator just down one floor. Oh, look at this giant door, and then we're gonna push 0. That work? I think we didn't break it, did we?
James.
Are we good? Bye, Eddie. We're good. We're good. No, we're not. Oh! Oh, you have to hold it. You have to hold it. Bye, Eddie. See you later.
Bye.
Dude, could you imagine if we got stuck in this thing?
What?
Oh, hello, Eddie. Unfortunately, our time here in the Royal Suite is over. We'll be back here again soon, I'm sure. Also, special shout out to YTest. Go follow him on Instagram. He's the one who hooked us up. He owns the Koenigsegg, and he got us full, exclusive, unprecedented access here to the Royal Suite at the Burj Al Arab. Royal Suite, goodbye. Oh, this is amazing. The Royal Suite at the Burj Al Arab. It is $40,000 a night. That's right, $40,000 for one night. This is insane. I don't know why I wore my SpongeBob shirt. I didn't know we were gonna be in the Royal Suite. I get myself into the craziest things. Taking a Koenigsegg to the Royal Suite. Massive shout out to YTest. Guys, go follow YTest on Instagram. I'll put a link to his Insta in the description below. He owns this beautiful, beautiful Koenigsegg, and he got the ultimate hookup. That was so crazy. Like, we shouldn't have been up there, but we were. Doing a pull in a Koenigsegg outside the Burj Al Arab, that was never even on the bucket list, but I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we did it. acceleration of a Koenigsegg is unparalleled. We were in a Veyron a couple days ago, and that like compresses your chest into the seat. The Koenigsegg is like warp speed. You can't even like think. It is unbelievable. That didn't make sense, kind of proving my point. We just took the world's fastest production car to the most expensive hotel room in the entire world. I don't know how I get myself into these situations. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.